I think it's safe to say that that's about had it. Because that means we can do something with this wood and that carpet. There, now we just have to screw them down. And that's all done. Now try to get the carpet on. Get the top part down. And I'm going to cut around there. There. Try to get that all nice and even. Hey, Dandy. He's already excited. I got top part on. Kind of got all that blended in as best I can. Cats aren't going to give a shit. And not too worried about that being even or not, because I'm going to be putting that rope around it. I know that's not exactly even, but that's what a chainsaw is for. I got that cut up. That chainsaw is very dull. You can see it's not very even. I try to sand it with that, and 400 grit's the lowest I got, so wish me luck. But yeah, I should have known. Actually, I didn't know that wasn't going to work. So why not just shim it? Shim it with carpeting. That should work. In order to get this centered properly, put a screw right smack dab in the middle as a pilot hole. So it'll line up with that hole. Well, it's on there. Not exactly even, but like I said, cats aren't going to care. Yeah, just working on trying to get the rope around it. Kinda looks a little taggy, but the rope wasn't even going around carpet on that part, so yeah, we'll see. I guess I can consider that done. Now we just have to add the finishing touches. What is that?
No, you've had these neurological patterns. They become interlinked. So our approach would be, my coordinator, would be to teach the brain to separate things.
And this is what I want everybody to understand. We have triggers. And with you, your triggers are...
Patches?
You
Patches?
have a standard that you live to. And I'm teased you about it, but you hold yourself to a very high standard. And give yourself no...
Like, what the hell is this thing?
And there are things that trigger stress reactions in you. And these are physiological reactions as well as psychological reactions. And they're bad for you. And here, she has such well-learned triggers. This may have started when you were 4. It may have started when you were 8 or 9. And there were things going on in your life that were not okay. And sometimes we try to organize the external world because we think that will make us feel organized in our internal world. But the problem is that conditions the brain to a pattern, right? But you can break it where you wash it and go, wow, you feel clean, let's go do something. You don't need the other $299. And then what do you do with all that extra time? Well, you could go help her fix something. You two could be pen pals. You could fix everything right up. And then before we go, the 30 day just behind us is your waistband expanding in front of you. But you don't have to avoid those holiday parties out of fear that
Don't
you
snort
can't
it.
turn down that pie of eggnog. You just got to have some reason about this.
I think they're
Those
happy.
holiday